Hey everyone, and welcome to Advocate Digital. Today, we're tackling a topic that can feel overwhelming for many business owners: search engine optimization, or SEO. But fear not. In less than 5 minutes, we'll unveil the SEO secrets that will get your website buzzing with customers, not crickets. What is SEO? Let's start with the basics. SEO is all about making your website friendly for search engines like Google. When people search for terms related to your business, SEO helps your website rank higher in the results. The higher you rank, the more likely people are to find you. Now, let's dive into 3 key areas that influence SEO. Keywords. These are the words and phrases people use to search for things online. You want to sprinkle relevant keywords throughout your website content. Content is king. Search engines love websites with valuable, informative content. Regularly create fresh, engaging content that answers your target audience's questions and establishes your brand as an expert. Backlinks. Imagine backlinks as votes of confidence for your website. When other reputable websites link to yours, it tells search engines your site is trustworthy and relevant. Don't forget mobile. More and more people search online from their phones. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly for a seamless user experience. These are just a few SEO basics to get you started. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. But by implementing these tips and staying consistent, you'll see your website climb the search engine ranks and attract more customers. For even more SEO insights, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.